So we saw agriculture. Industry. So you'll not have much prelims based from industry, but few industrial locations are important. If you take iron and steel industry, the first steel industry was in 1907. Tata Iron and Steel Company. Tata passed away last year. So, in case, if they ask a question, Jamshedpur, so in this region, Subarna Rekha river will flow. Iron ore is extracted from Sakchi place. Coal reserves are in Raniganj and Jharia. Fine. Jharia and Raniganj. They got limestone and dolomite from Odisha. Fine. This was with respect to Tata Iron and Steel Company. Done? Shall I? Yes. Serious. The second most important company was Bhadravati, Shivamogga, Karnataka. Earlier it was called Bhadravati Iron and Steel Company. Later it is Vishveshwaraya Iron and Steel Company. Okay. Serious? If any question comes, the question will ask only steel company away from coal fields. Only steel company away from coal fields is Vishveshwaraya Iron and Steel Company. Third, during second 5-year plan, Bhilai steel plant was built at Chhattisgarh. Bokaro, Jharkhand. Durgapur and Burnpur. West Bengal. Rourkela, Odisha. Match the following, they may ask. Shall I? Because these were done with the help of West Germany, UK, USSR. Okay. Okay, USSR. Then Vizag steel plant. Remember, for this, imports were taken from Australia. Import-based steel industry is Vizag steel plant. That is also in use. Next. When we say Bombay, Mumbai, it is known as Cotton Polis of India. Ahmedabad, Manchester of India, Coimbatore, Manchester of South India. Big Boy, Baroni, Ankaleshwar, Koyali. After this, major ports of India. In all these areas, oil refineries are present. Sugar industry, is Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. North India, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, some parts of Rajasthan. So sugar industries, sugarcane is produced in these areas also. Please remember, northern Rajasthan In exam, if they give Rajasthan, you may think no, right? But northern Rajasthan, Indira Gandhi Canal is there. From that they grow sugarcane. South, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu. Sugar industries. Shall I? Jute is mostly Kolkata. Jute is mostly Kolkata. %90 are in Kolkata. Next, India has six major industrial regions. Six major industrial regions. Yes. Delhi, Amritsar, Meerut region or NCR region or NCR, National Capital Region. Ahmedabad, Vadodara region in Gujarat. Mumbai, Pune region, Maharashtra. They may ask you which of the following are major industrial regions. Bengaluru, Coimbatore region. Kolkata, Hooghly region. Chota Nagpur, Plateau region. Minor industrial regions. Visakhapatnam, Guntur region. Kollam region. Fine. Major industrial, minor industrial. industrial corridors. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Bengaluru-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. Bengaluru-Chennai Industrial Corridor. East Coast Industrial Corridor. Amritsar-Kolkata Industrial Corridor. Fine. Then resources. Coal resources. So in coal, peat will become lignite. Lignite will become bituminous. Bituminous will become anthracite. Anthracite will have 80% carbon, 65% carbon, 45% carbon, 25% carbon. Remaining is ash. So which is the clean coal? Clean coal is anthracite. And if we take anthracite is a type of metamorphic rock. It is a type of metamorphic, and in India found near Jammu Kashmir. Remaining coal is actually divided into Gondwana coal and tertiary coal. Gondwana coal, tertiary coal. Gondwana coal field. See, Gondwana coal is associated with bituminous. Gondwana is associated with bituminous. If we take bituminous, places it is present in Talcher in Odisha, Jharia is the place in Jharkhand. This can be matched the following: coal reserves. Raniganj, West Bengal. Korba, Chhattisgarh. Ramagundam, Singarini. Telangana. Tertiary coal associated with lignite. Neyveli, Tamil Nadu. Karewa soil of Jammu Kashmir. Parts of Meghalaya. Oil fields in India. Digboy, Assam. Oldest refinery in India and Asia. Ankaleshwar, Koyali. Gujarat. Mumbai High, Maharashtra. KG Basin. In KG Basin, Rawa rocks are there. Andhra Pradesh region. See, coal, oil, uranium, thorium. These four are important. Uranium, six places are there: Aravallis, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Meghalaya Plateau, Bhima Basin, Chhattisgarh, Kadapa region, Nallamala ranges, Thorium, the moment you see monazite sand, thorium comes into picture. It is in Malabar coast, Coromandel coast. Shall I? Iron ore. So wherever you have red and yellow soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, you'll have iron ore. Hematite is the most important one. Present near Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh. Magnetite, Karnataka has more reserves. But overall iron ore, if you take, apart from these states, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Kerala, they all have iron ore reserves. Bauxite and kyanite, all the peninsular states. Done. It's been long UPSC has asked this, but in case if they ask, highways, six, NH44 is the longest highway. North-South corridor connects Srinagar to Kanyakumari. NH44 is from same Kanyakumari to Srinagar. East-West corridor Porbandar in Gujarat to Silchar in Assam. Silchar in Assam. New numbering if you take, if a national highway is in north-south direction, it must be given even number like 44, NH44. If a national highway is in east-west direction, it must be given odd number. Odd number. Then all the major highways must be given 1 digit and 2 digits. If any highway joins the major highway, 3 digits will be given. 3 digits will be given. And if any highway joins 3-digit highway, alphabet will be assigned. Done. Arrangements. Even numbered are arranged. Even numbers. Highways are arranged from east to west. Odd numbered highways are arranged from north to south. North to south. Ports. Kandla Port in Gujarat. Tidal port. Natural port. Mumbai, Maharashtra, natural port. JNPT, Navi Mumbai, mechanized port, modernized or mechanized port. Marma in Goa is natural port. Navi Mumbai is also natural port. New Mangalore, Karnataka, natural port. Natural port, naval port. Kochi. On the west coast, we are going to get a new port. Current affairs, Vadavan port in Maharashtra. Vadavan port is the new port in Maharashtra. Tamil Nadu, Tuticorin, Chennai, Ennore. All the three are artificial ports. Andhra Pradesh, Vishakhapatnam, deepest natural port. Odisha, Paradweep. It is second deepest natural port. Just remember, Tamil Nadu is artificial. Kolkata, Haldia are basically on Hooghly River, West Bengal. Riverine port. Great Nicobar, Andaman and Nicobar. Inland waterways, guys. National Waterway 1. Please remember, it will be on Ganga River. It will start at Prayagraj. It is still Haldia. Can be asked. World Bank had funded National Waterway 1 is. National Waterway 2, Brahmaputra. Sadia to Dubri. Dubri. Waterway 3, backwaters of Kerala. Kollam to Kottapuram. What away 4? Buckingham Canal. Kakinada to Puducherry. Brahmani Baitarni River. Actually, places are not confirmed. Different books give different flavor. Talcher to Damra. Waterway 6, Barak River. Manipur. 6. Only 6 are there. Fine. Then pipelines of India. First pipeline was Digboy, Nahar Katia, Noonamati, Baroni. Baroni. Then second, Hazira, Gujarat. Vijapur, Madhya Pradesh. It's called HVJ pipeline. HVJ pipeline. Kandla to Luni. Bangalore, Mangalore. Vishakhapatnam. Vijayawada. Hyderabad. railway zones. You open India map. India map. Yeah. So in the zones, if you see, north zone is Delhi. Can you check? North zone is Delhi. Northwestern zone is Jaipur. Northwestern is Jaipur. North central Prayagraj. Northeast Gorakhpur. Can you check? North is Delhi. Northwestern Rajasthan Jaipur. North central Uttar Pradesh Prayagraj. Northeast Gorakhpur. Northeast frontier Guwahati. Right, northeast frontier Guwahati. Then south, you see Chennai. Southwestern is Karnataka, you check. Hubballi. South central Secunderabad. Southeast Kolkata. You can check Kolkata also is given east. Kolkata has 2. West is given to Mumbai. Can you see central is also for Mumbai? Fine. Then east coast is east coast Odisha, Bhubaneswar, south coast Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. This, along with this, on the last day, see these 3. East Central, Hajipur, Bihar. West Central, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Southeast Central, Bilaspur. So guys, this is geography. See, apart from this, geopolitics, okay. So when we say geopolitics, IR based questions will come, okay. So just you open North America map. North America map. North America. Trump is in news. Okay. So you can see US and Canada border, as I told you. It's more about border migration as well, right? So please remember Rocky Mountains on one side. Most of the migrants are entering through mountains itself. And second, you can see Canada, US, 49-degree north latitude, I told you. Okay, eastern side, you can see 5 Great Lakes along the border. Okay, Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, Ontario. Can you see? Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, Ontario. Okay. Then you can see Rio Grande River in between US and Mexico is. Which river separates US and Mexico is Rio Grande River. Okay. So in North America, focus on two things. One is border of US with Canada, border of US with Mexico. Right. These two are important. Second, Panama is in news. Okay. At the bottom, you can see Panama. In the same bottom, you see Panama. Panama connects which two countries? You see, one side Colombia will be there, another side Costa Rica. Right? Panama connects which two sea? If they ask you, it's Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. Can you see? Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. So that part is important. Okay, next. Open South America. Can you see Guyana region? Northern part, above Brazil. Guyana. Yes. Indian diaspora is present in this region. Guys. Prime Minister visited this area. Oil is found in the region. Okay. Then, can you see Venezuela? Venezuela. It is in news for multiple reasons, but can you check for Maracaibo, Lake Maracaibo, northernmost part? Okay. Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela. You will have Lake Maracaibo. Fine. Oil, highest oil reserves in the world is in Venezuela. Okay. In physical map, if you see, you will have Angel Falls. Look at the river as well. Orinoco River. Remember this. Orinoco is in South America. Okay. Continent they'll give. They won't give you countries. Fine. Orinoco, Angel Falls. Yeah. Entire Brazil, if you take this, entire South America you take, Brazil has border with all the countries of South America except Chile and Ecuador. Can you see the two? Chile and Ecuador. Except these two, like South America, Brazil has border with almost everything. And Andes Mountains is predominant here, western side. In the southern part of Andes Mountains, can you see Aconcagua? Mountains will be there. Highest mountain peak of South America, Aconcagua, southern part, Chile region you see. It's there. It will be there. Okay. Then Aconcagua. Next, you see Africa. Africa is first. One geography based question is coming from Africa regularly from the last 4 years. Okay. So whenever you get time, have clarity on things. First, the 5 states which has border with Mediterranean, you see. Okay, the 5 states which has border with Mediterranean: Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. Fine. These 5 are important. Second, can you all see Nile River? Yes. See Nile River carefully. Nile River, right? If you go downwards, you will have Blue Nile and White Nile. Yes. Remember, Blue Nile and White Nile flow northward. It will join at Khartoum. Can you see place called Khartoum? You have Khartoum. Then they flow northward and enter into Mediterranean Sea. Longest river, but flows into Mediterranean. Okay, flowing northward. Fine. Then Niger River. Can you see western side of Africa? Niger River will be there. Yes. That is one of the best basins of Africa, guys. Niger. There itself you can see 4 things, guys. If you are looking at Africa, 4 things will be there. Grain coast, Ivory Coast, Gold Coast, Slave Coast. Can you see? Western Africa, Slave Coast. These are part of Africa, and remember the regions as well. Okay, then can you see Congo River? They asked which countries are part of Congo Basin. Okay, Congo River. Can you check southwards in Southern Africa region? Orange River. Can you see? Orange River. Zambezi. Zambezi. This was asked in prelims. Zambezi enters into which sea? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean was asked. See, now you know. You should know. Right. Can you see Victoria Falls? Is on which river? Zambezi. Okay. Atlas Mountains, northwestern part of Africa. Can you see Atlas Mountains? Yes. Southern part of Africa, can you see Drakensberg Mountains? Fine. Northwest is Atlas. Prelims question, where is Atlas Mountains? They ask North America, South America, Africa, Australia. Fine. Then, can you see Kilimanjaro? Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. It's not Kenya, it's Tanzania. Height is almost 5,000 plus. I told you. So it is freestanding. That means only single island will be there, or single mountain will be there. Volcanic origin. It's a divergent boundary. Can you check? It's a divergent boundary. Okay. Then, in Africa itself, see the countries which has border with Red Sea, guys. Countries which has border with Red Sea. Can you all check? Egypt will have border. Sudan will have border. Eritrea has border. Then Djibouti has border. They will give Ethiopia also. Right? And Ethiopia is landlocked. You can say Ethiopia is landlocked. Okay. Then Ethiopia is part of BRICS Plus. Okay. Ethiopia is part of BRICS Plus. Then you saw this. Yes. Next, Open Asia map. West Asia, any question can come, guys, because of Israel-Palestine that's going on. The countries which has border with Israel, you check. Okay, with Israel, you should say. Can I say Lebanon has border? Everyone? Lebanon has border. Syria has border. Yes. Lebanon, Syria, Jordan. Egypt has border. Fine. Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, Egypt. Yeah. Yes, then look at Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea. 5 countries has border. Just check. Iran has border. Right? Turkmenistan has border. Kazakhstan has border. Azerbaijan. Yes, Russia. Caspian Sea is important, guys. Israel is important. Mediterranean Sea of Asia. Can you see which countries has border? Just check. Turkey has border. Turkey has border. Syria has border. Jordan doesn't have border. Lebanon has border. Israel has border. Palestine also has border. Gaza is there. Turkey, right? Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Palestine. Then Caspian Sea you saw. Okay. What you have to focus is, Southeast Asia is South China Sea. South China Sea. Okay. South China Sea. In South China Sea, dispute is over. Nine-dash line of China. South China Sea, 9-dash line of China, and Paracel Islands, Spratly Islands, Scarborough Shoal. These are disputed. Scarborough Shoal. All these are disputed. South China Sea. East China Sea. Diaoyu or Senkaku. Between China, Japan. Socotra. South Korea, China. Sea of Japan. Kuril Islands. Russia and Japan. Fine. These are disputed territories in the world. Europe map, you see. Europe map. Two things are important, guys. Baltic Sea, North Sea. Okay. Countries which has border with Baltic Sea. Countries which has border with North Sea. These two you focus once. Okay. Asia map you see. Last. Sorry, world map. World map. Fine. In that, guys, can you see Chagos Archipelago? Lakshadweep, Maldives. Below Maldives, can you see Chagos, Diego Garcia. Chagos Archipelago is in Indian Ocean, disputed between UK and Mauritius, right? It was disputed between UK and Mauritius. International court gave it back to Mauritius. Okay, so these three are important, guys. Remember, those three are together. Which three? Lakshadweep, Maldives and Chagos Archipelago. Don't think it is of Maldives, it is of Mauritius. And still one island of that is kept with United States called Diego Garcia. Can you see? Diego Garcia is still kept by United States. Fine. It is actually called BIOT, British Indian Ocean Territory. BIOT, Diego Garcia. Okay. Fine. This. If you are looking at regional organizations this time, CSCO, BRICS Plus, right? Read in detail which country, when, which was the first place where summit occurred. These two in detail. Trump stopped funding of WHO. Just look at that once. UNICEF. Six, Trump again withdrew from Paris climate deal, right? And it's been 10 years, 2025. 2015 it was signed, right? Paris climate deal. So they may ask you question. Remember the targets. What is the targets given and terminologies associated with it, like INDC, intended nationally determined contributions, common but differentiated responsibility. Loss and damage fund. Mitigation and adaptation fund. Global stocktake. Ratchet mechanism. Just two things, guys. In websites, if you're checking, Wetlands India website is there. Okay, Wetlands India website is there. Life for wetlands is the new topic that has been given. Okay, lifestyle for environment, you might have heard life. Okay, there are some factors with that, those you should remember. Fine. Panchamrit of India, 5 goals that India has given. Fine. Shall I? Very important event, right? 50 years. 2024. Okay, 50 years. Pokhran 1 testing and NSG, Nuclear Suppliers Group, they were established in 1974. So because of 50 years, these two are important. Tsunami is important. USSR disintegration, have a look once, along with LPG. Fine. So, all the best, guys. Do well. Fine. Thank you.